What's going on, everybody? Eric Lubano here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Eric Lubano. I've been an independent ATM operator since 2017. And so if you're watching this video right now, you're probably somewhat interested in the ATM business. Maybe you came across one of my ads. Maybe you came across this video, you're scrolling. Doesn't matter. But what I'm going to basically share with you today is the top reasons why I think this business model is the best opportunity for the average person to go out there and start creating passive income, okay? So I've been an ATM operator since 2017. I've well generated over $1 million in surcharge income from the ATM business, from my ATM portfolio. It's changed my life, and I helped change the lives of many others. And now I helped over 2,100 individuals start and scale their very own ATM business. So that's what makes me the #1 ATM business consultant now in the industry. So with that, I hopefully I can open up your mind today, give you some information that helps you make a decision whether this business might be for you or not. If it is, great. If not, no big deal. But here's why I think the ATM business model is a great business. There's still a lot of opportunity there today in this business, and it gives the average person an opportunity to start making actual passive income. Whether you have a job already and you're looking for supplemental income, whether you're brand new into business, you have some money saved up, it doesn't matter, right? Anybody can come into this business model and become the next big success story. Why? Because I did it, right? When I started, I was literally working as a, my first job ever was actually a dishwasher at a restaurant, moved up to a busboy, to a server, found myself working on weekends, making really good money as a server, but I didn't really have that time freedom, right? I didn't want to be a server for the rest of my life, right? So I got involved in this business, and within 6 months of starting this business, was able to create a passive income of 10K a month with the ATM business model. And now we helped a lot of people do the exact same thing, because literally they're just copy and pasting the exact strategies that I used to build my business. And then the last thing I'm going to say, and I'll go into why I think this is the best business model ever, is I'm currently still building the business, right? I'm actually doubling down in ATM. So you guys are learning from somebody who's actively not just teaching people this business, but actively out there currently building the business. And what does that mean? That basically means that you guys are getting the up-to-date marketing strategies that I'm implementing every single day to find ATM locations, to find profitable locations that are going to make you money every single day on autopilot. So with that being said, here are the reasons why I think the ATM business model is a great business model for you guys to get into. #1, it's a very low barrier to entry compared to like other types of business. What I mean by that, if you want to start your own business, there's a lot of upfront capital, right, that you need. And so for this specific business model, it's between $5,000 to $10,000. I like to say I started this business with $5,000 to my name and was able to scale this up pretty quickly. Okay, so low barrier to entry compared to any other business that you want to get involved in. And there's not a lot of variables involved in the business, right? Once you learn how to place one ATM, you can learn how to place 1,000 ATMs, because it's the same exact strategy, same exact effort, right? Same exact process, right, to place one ATM. Therefore, you can duplicate that process and scale this business pretty quickly. #2, there's no inventory, no employees needed, at least not at the beginning, right? Obviously, as your business grows, and if you want to scale, you're going to need employees. But at the very beginning, at least for me, for my first 3-4 years, I was running this business on my own. And as you learn more about the business, right, you'll see that it doesn't take an employee to run, multiple employees to run an ATM portfolio. At first, it can be you, because there's a lot of technology involved with the ATM business that makes it very easy for you to manage your ATM. So no employees, no inventory. And then #3, no marketing. Okay. And it's kind of weird when I say no marketing, because you have to think about this, right? You're placing an ATM in a business. You're not selling an ATM machine to a business. You're providing a service to a business, right? So once your ATM is placed in that business, you aren't providing the clientele, right? You aren't providing the marketing, right? You aren't providing the foot traffic. The business is providing that for you, right? So you don't have to go out there and find people that are going to use your machine. You don't have to go out there and market where your ATM's at. You don't have to go out there and literally create your own foot traffic, right? Because wherever you place the machine, that the business is going to provide all that for you. Okay, so that's a pretty cool thing, right? And then #4 is you get to become a bank. Okay, so you got to think about this right now, right? You're placing ATMs in businesses, right? And anytime anybody uses your machine, you're charging people a fee to basically borrow money from you, right? And so how that actually works is that you now are becoming a bank. So what does a bank usually do? You go into a bank, right? You borrow money, you get a loan, right? And then they charge you interest, right? So I tell people all the time that I rather have my cash inside of my own ATM rather than my bank, because my bank is really just loaning it out and charging people interest, right? So that's why I love the ATM business model. So if you're checking this out for the first time, literally, hopefully that kind of helps you make a decision whether this business is for you or not. But I truly feel like this is like, one of the opportunities that anybody can come into this business model and literally, become the next big success story, because there's not a lot of variables involved in this. Okay. And so hopefully you guys open up your mind a little bit to that. We have a ton of clients that have started their business and 90 days into it are making well over 5 figures a month with ATMs. I know it's crazy to think that, but we have a ton of basically case studies of people that are coming in and making thousands and thousands of dollars from ATM placements. And the reason why is because, number one, we're taking all the guesswork out of it, right? We're streamlining the entire process, and then we're feeding them exactly what we know works in our business, and they're able to just copy and paste and implement into their own business and get the same results, if not better, and if not faster. And then basically what we have a system set up for you guys. And that's, I feel like, the fastest way to start in any business or becoming successful in a business is locking arms with somebody who already knows how to get there, right? Already knows how to get where you want to go, right? And that's just in anything, whether it's in ATMs or any other business you guys want to get involved in. Highly recommend that you obviously lock arms with somebody who has the results that you want and are looking to get. So with that, hopefully this kind of, gives you some more information on whether this business is for you or not, whether you have a 9-to-5, whether you're looking to, do something because you're retired, right? Whether you're looking to create passive income. There's a lot of opportunity with this business model in 2025. I'm doubling down and I'm helping my clients double down as well. So hopefully if you guys are looking to start an ATM business and you want a roadmap, a proven system to plug into, you guys are able to, use the link below, hop on a call with somebody from our team. We'll explain exactly what we do and how we streamline the entire process for you. So we make sure that you get the results fast. So hopefully I'll see you guys on the inside, and thanks for watching.